This is a Python dashboard. These are code lines. Today did a code for I in range 1 to 21. I means integer. If I is divisible by 2 is equals to 0 is the code. Print f colon I is even. Else print f I is odd. Let's start the code. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is
Okay.
odd.
So how computer detected that 3 is a odd number?
Computer detected that 3 is an odd number as integer and integers there, and else the code is there. So
Okay. So how it detected even?
it detects even if one integer is divisible by 2.
Okay. Thank you. Are you enjoying Python?
Yes.